OSA Engineering, premium stainless steel tanks and fabrication solutions. For over 25 years, OSA Engineering has been the trusted name in high-quality stainless steel fabrication, serving industries across the Middle East, Asia, and Africa. As a leading manufacturer of industrial storage tanks and precision-engineered solutions, we deliver reliable, custom-built equipment designed to endure the toughest conditions. Our expertise: we specialize in custom fabrication, tailored solutions for industries like oil and gas, water treatment, renewable energy, and more. International compliance, ASME and UL certified designs. End-to-end execution. From concept to installation, we manage every phase. Global presence, with strategic locations in UAE, HQ, Sharjah Industrial Hub, Saudi Arabia, India. Products: food-grade stainless steel tanks, RO plants and water treatment systems, pressure vessels and diesel storage tanks, chemical injection skids and industrial silos, powder mixers, screw conveyors and material handling systems. Why OSA Engineering? 25+ years of industry leadership, in-house design and advanced fabrication technology, rigorous quality control at every stage, guaranteed on-time delivery, trusted by industry leaders ADNOC, ENOC, EPCO, Veolia, Culligan, Dutco Tennant, Gulf Water Treatment, and more. Let's build the future together. Contact us today. Visit our website www.osaengineering.com. Your vision, our engineering. One global standard.